How to make a lot of money in business. Look over here, buy my product, get my service, use this coupon, here's a discount, we're having a sale. There are so many different ways to market your business and get new customers. Some ideas work, some do not. In this video, I'm gonna share with you a lot of ways to make more money in your business. Let's go.
Noel. Yeah, she can fix that. You gotta get it done, all you need to do it better. Well, she can fix that. Yeah, she can fix that. Investment to get back, trying to get a big stack. She can fix that. Let's fix that.
I'm going to share with you a simple step-by-step marketing plan to help you make money in your business right now. I'm going to share with you 3 secret ways to market any business on a shoestring budget. And I'm going to share with you my big secret to how I spend $1 and at least get $4 back. Marketing is so important for every business. Most people do not know what marketing is. Most people think that if you run ads, then that is marketing. But marketing really is just anything that you do to promote your business. You can run ads like advertising and you can pay for them, or you can send out business cards, or you can drive around in your car advertising your business. You can even tell friends and family what it is that you do on social media and get them to send you business. Marketing is all about telling people what you do and promoting your business to get new customers. There are so many free ways to market your business, but most people think that you have to spend a lot of money to make a lot of money, and that is just not true. Let me tell you. Here are the marketing ideas that work best. Mailing letters. So many people think that mailing letters is not a great way to market, but even today, it's still a great way to market. Yes, people still have to check their mail. Yeah, I know that we're all on phones and we're on email, but if you mail out letters or postcards or promotions to your business through the mail, you can reach tons of people at a very low price. United States Postal Service actually has what's called every door delivery, where they will help you market your business through the mail. You literally can buy letters, postcards, and other marketing materials and have them delivered directly to people's mailboxes, promoting your business to thousands, hundreds, or even millions of people, depending on your budget. Mailing letters seems like an old way to do things, but today it still works depending on what you do. The one thing that you want to make sure that you're doing is making a compelling offer. Don't just mail out something saying, hey, we have a business here, or come visit my store. The better thing to do would be able to send a coupon, a discount code, or some type of sale or promotion that you are offering. Give people a reason to come to your business, and when they see those type of things in the mail, it works like a charm. Let me tell you a few other things. Billboards. Billboards still work. I know you've been driving in your car and you've seen a big billboard advertising something, some business, some TV show, some movie, all different types of stuff. You literally can market any business using a billboard, and it's actually gotten a lot cheaper. Most people think that billboards cost lots of money, and in fact, some of them do. You literally could spend $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 per month on a billboard. But today, we actually have billboards that are called digital billboards, and you can spend just hundreds of dollars promoting your business on billboards with digital billboards. This is a low-cost way to reach millions of people in a really large area, and you can do it with not much time. It doesn't take a long time to create a digital ad for a digital billboard, and like I said, they don't cost nearly as much as a standalone big billboard that's stationary and stays there for months and months. Social media ads. Yes, you can literally run ads on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, and every other social media platform that you can think of. Even Truth Social has ads. You literally can spend a small amount of money advertising to your target audience. The great thing about social media ads is they don't cost very much money. I really like Google ads. Although Google is not a social media ad, it is very similar to a social media ad, and it doesn't cost very much money. Literally, if someone is searching for the thing that your business does, you can come up in the top Google searches for a small amount of money. Most people think that Google is a search engine, but it is truly just a marketing agency for businesses. You literally can pay to have your business on the first page of Google and drive tons of traffic directly to your business website, or get your phones ringing directly from Google or social media ads. And again, it doesn't cost much money, and in many cases, you only have to pay if the person clicks on your ad. Truck signs, car signs, and magnets. Literally, we are all driving. Most of us have a car, and you can turn your vehicle into a billboard. One thing that you can do with your car is you can get magnets on the side. I know you've probably seen this for real estate agents, but you can do this for any business: videography, plumbing, electricians, music, whatever it is that you do. You can put a magnet on the side of your car and start advertising your business. Or you can even go one step further and get your entire car wrapped. Not only will this really promote your business, you can literally be driving down the highway and start attracting customers to your business. Your car is an amazing thing that you can turn into a mobile billboard. And you can even start writing off the mileage with your car because you are using it for business purposes. I absolutely love what we do with our business vehicles. Here's a picture of our new res van and truck just so you can see. It doesn't cost much money to get a magnet for your car, and it really doesn't cost much money to get your entire car wrapped, and it lasts for years and years. An amazing way to market your business every single day for a low fixed cost. You can even market your business absolutely free. Let me tell you some free ways that you can start marketing your business on social media. I already mentioned that you can do paid advertising on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, and all of the other social media platforms. Well, guess what? You can just post about your business on those social media platforms absolutely free. Literally, you should start marketing your business for free on your social media and create business accounts for your social media so that you can promote your business in two separate places: on your personal social media and on your business account. This will give you two different ways to start marketing your business absolutely free. You can tell people about coupons, discounts, sales you're having, and even promotions or packages that you're doing. You can start driving traffic customers directly to your business absolutely free using social media accounts. And again, use every single platform so that you can drive traffic from all different types of places absolutely free. I have 4 books that I want to give to you absolutely free. Go to @noellsbookoffer.com right now and get all 4 of my books absolutely free. You just cover the shipping. My books: Real Estate Millionaire Secrets, Business Millionaire Secrets, B&B Millionaire Secrets, and Turo Millionaire Secrets, is the ultimate book package to take your business and your side hustles to the next level. Each book delves into a very important and specific thing that I did to make millions of dollars. You literally can turn your side hustles into million-dollar businesses and use business credit and business funds to do it. Reading books is an amazing way to take your business to the next level for a very low cost. Go to noellsbookoffer.com right now and get all 4 of these books before they are all sold out. That's noellsbookoffer.com. Noelle, Noelle with an S, book, BOOK, offer, OFFER.com. noellsbookoffer.com. Go today. I just want to make sure that you have all of the resources, all of the tools, and all of the knowledge that you need to be successful. This is Noelle. To your success.